Can you find the verbs in these sentences? Mr. Mitchell here, and welcome to Nothing Fancy Literacy. Verbs are words that show what someone or something does, feels, or is. Some verbs show actions. Other verbs show feelings or states of being. A sentence can also contain more than one verb. Each of these sentences contains two verbs. Let's look at the first sentence. The boy ran and jumped on the beach. Ran and jumped are the verbs because they show what the boy did. Now look at the next sentence. The dog chased and caught the ball. Chased and caught are the verbs because they show what the dog did. In the sentence, Sam feels tired but is happy, feels and is are the verbs. Feels tells us about Sam's feeling, while is shows a state of being. Finally, look at this sentence. At school, students read and write every day. Read and write are the verbs because they show what the students do. Now it's your turn. One verb in each sentence is highlighted in red. Can you find the other verbs? Pause the video while you find them. The other verbs are jumped, caught, is and write. Remember, verbs show what someone or something does, feels, or is. A sentence may contain more than one verb. Like and subscribe to help other English learners discover our lessons. I'll see you in the next video.